Gene banks are the collections of DNA samples together with the samples of the somatic materials of organisms. In them, materials from endangered wild plants and cultivars are stored in a viable form. Gene banks preserve the stocks of both seeds and vegetative materials. The stored genetic information can be called upon or retrieved when required. Thus, gene banks provide the potential to breed the species in captivity and to release them when conditions are most favorable, or to use them for genetic research. The normal method of storage is by reducing the water content of the seed material to around 4% and then keeping it below 0 degree, usually between minus 10 degrees Celsius and 20 degrees Celsius. Stored in this way, the material may remain viable for 10 to 20 years. All the seed stock may be periodically checked by germination. The major gene banks in India are the following: National Bureau of Plant Genetics Resources, NBPGR, New Delhi, for crop plants, medicinal plants, species, etc. Tropical Botanical Garden and Research Institute, TBGRI, Palod, Trivandrum, for medicinal plants, spices, etc. Central Institute for Medical and Aromatic Plants, CIMAP, Lucknow, for medicinal plants, spices, etc. Central Drug Research Institute, Lucknow, for experimental animals. Which are the National Bureau of Plant Genetics Resources, Tropical Botanical Garden and Research Institute, Central Institute for Medical and Aromatic Plants, Central Drug Research Institute. So here we are collecting the DNA samples together with the samples of somatic materials of organisms. These materials are stored in a viable form. They store both seeds and vegetative materials. Firstly, water content is reduced in case of seeds to around 4% and then keep them below 0 degrees Celsius, usually minus 10 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius. By this way, materials will remain viable for 10 to 20 years. The major gene banks in India are the following: National Bureau of Plant Genetic Resources, New Delhi, Tropical Botanical Garden and Research Institute, Central Institute for Medical and Aromatic Plants, Central Drug Research Institute.